Merhaba. Welcome to a delightful culinary journey as we explore the intricate world of Manti, Turkish dumplings that are as charming as they are delicious. Join us in the kitchen as we uncover the art of crafting these tiny flavor-packed delights. Let's dive into the magic of Manti. Let's start by preparing the dough for our Manti. In a mixing bowl, combine the flour, egg, and a pinch of salt. Gradually add water and knead the mixture until a smooth, elastic dough is formed. Cover the dough and let it rest while preparing the filling. Now, let's move on to creating the filling for our Manti. In another bowl, mix the ground meat with finely grated onion, minced garlic, salt, and pepper. Ensure the filling is well combined and set it aside. Next, we'll roll out the rested dough into a thin sheet and cut it into small squares around 1.5 inches in size. This will be the base for our delightful Manti. Now comes the fun part, filling and folding the Manti. Place a small amount of the filling in the center of each dough square and fold the dough over the filling, creating a triangle or a boat shape, ensuring the edges are sealed. It's time to cook the Manti. Boil them in salted water until they float to the surface, indicating they are cooked. Remove the cooked Manti with a slotted spoon and place them on a serving dish. Now, let's prepare the sauce for our Manti. In a separate bowl, mix yogurt with crushed garlic. In a pan, heat olive oil until hot, then pour it over the yogurt mixture. Finally, it's time to serve our delicious Manti. Pour the yogurt sauce over the cooked Manti, garnish with mint leaves, and serve immediately. Voila! You've just mastered the art of crafting Manti, Turkish dumplings that embody the essence of tradition and flavor. We hope you enjoyed this culinary adventure. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes from around the world. Afiyet olsun, bon appetit.